image is a backlit image, right?
And you want this, you don't want those to get blown out. So
And you want the highlights
Yeah.
to be captured properly. You don't want to wash out or
Right.
blow out the whites or the highlights.
Okay.
You want a rim light effect.
Okay.
And although the subject is backlit,
But it's not a
you
strong backlight.
but you want a rim light effect.
Okay.
For that rim light effect, you need a negative compensation.
Oh.
So here I gave a negative compensation, remember, of minus 0.1, minus 1. Minus 1. Now what it did, it captured the rim light. At the same time, the background mist was captured properly. Now I know that once I give a negative compensation in this case, what is going to happen is I will have a shadow or my animal will be dark. So I know that. But I still shoot with negative compensation so that my highlights are taken care of, and in post-processing I can retrieve the shadow details. So this type of images is not a work of camera only.
Okay.
It requires a post-processing as well. Unless and until you do a post-processing, it will appear as if it is a silhouetted image. So you won't have any details on that lion or any animal for that matter. Okay? So sometimes when you are taking the picture, you have to shoot with post-processing in mind.